Hello, this is a Hello Canvas. In this video, we will learn about Zbrush as additional brushes. Additional brushes and how to use a smooth brush. Please stay with us until the end, as it is essential to raise the quality of your modeling to the next level. Then this time we will learn about additional brushes. Additional brushes are a variety of brushes provided to help specific purpose or detailed work, in addition to the basic brush. So where can I find the additional brushes? First, press the brush shortcut key and select additional brushes from various categories. There are a total of 4 representative additional brushes. Let's look at them together as an example. First, it is called the Trim Dynamic Brush. This is a brush and cuts and flattens the surface. Click Trim Dynamic here, and I will control the brush a bit to make it more visible. If you press it like this, it will cut the surface and make it flat. Secondly, there is a brush called H Poly. It's almost similar, but I will press it and it looks like this. Immediately smooth it out and leave a strong edge on the surface. Then go back and do the third thing. It's called Move Topological. Click and click once to proceed. Let's move it like this. It's used to move independent meshes separately without interfering with each other. Lastly, there is Inflate. If you press Inflate, you can see the change like this. It is literally a brush used to add volume as if inflating the mesh. If you use only the basic brush like this, you will get one. If you learn additional brushes, it will be much better, fast and detailed, work impossible. Next, let's look at how to use the additional brushes. There are 3 things to keep in mind when actually using it. The first is that it is very important to adjust the intensity of the additional brushes, apply it smoothly according to the situation. The second is the brush size. It will be very difficult to work with one size while working, so it will be better to press the shortcut keys and then adjust the size of brushes in this way. Next, depending on your needs, you can customize it by changing the alpha or stroke setting. There is one tip I would like to give here. The tip is to duplicate the brush and save your own setting on so that you can use it more conveniently. Next, let's look at the smooth brush. First, the smooth brush is that is often used when carving a model or controlling lumps. Additionally, one more explanation is that it can be seen as a brush that smooths the surface. How to use it? If you press the Shift key while using the brush, it will automatically be used. You can check that it is converted to smooth brush. If so, let's check it together. I will deliberately increase the intensity a little and then draw like this. Next, I will press the Shift key and rub it right away. So you can see that it is spread smoothly and evenly. If you drag like this, the surface will be smoothed out. This time, we will learn about the detailed adjustment of the smooth brush. There are various options for the smooth brush. You can first press the shift key and paint the brush like this, but it will become smooth. But I will explain two more things first. When you select the brush, it's called Smooth Valley. When you click on it, a message like this will pop up, telling you to press the shift click and use it. Press OK. Press the shift here. First, paint it like this. Then, press the shift and apply it like this, so you can see that it strengthens out. This is often used to smooth out only the sunken areas. Next, let's take a look at Smooth Peak. Smooth Peak can be seen as a brush that smooths out only the protruding part. You can refine it like this, but when you refine it, strength is very important. Then if you look above, let's first look at how to set the intensity of smooth brush. For the smooth brush, go to brush here, and if you look at the bottom, there is a modifier than smooth. You can adjust it by moving it in detail in the modifier. Don't just use a basic smooth. If you use various smooth brushes together, the detail expression will be much more delicate. Then this time, let's demonstrate it together. With what we learned earlier, first use the brush here, click to select the move topology, make the selection and transform it like this. Next, let's refine the surface with the trim dynamics. You can refine it like this, and let's try using it flat, which is one of the things we learned earlier. You can see the volume being added smoothly like this. And finally, we will give it a smoother, stronger, and clean it up to make the detail neat. Basically, go to the standard it and just paint it like this. And you can adjust and neatly wire it. You can see that the frame is organized. Today, we learned how to use the additional brushes and how to use the smooth brush in depth. Next time, we will cover how to save the file you worked on. Please click like, subscribe, and leave a question in the comment. Thank you.